Hey everyone, today I'm excited to show you how to grab a free CDKeys promo code to save on all your favorite games and digital content. To get started, head over to easycoupon.co/CDKeys or simply scan the QR code on the screen to go directly to the site. Once you're there, enter your email address to have the promo code sent right to your inbox. I'll type mine in here to show you how easy it is. Next, select your device, Apple or Android, and hit Continue. The site will instantly begin generating your CDKeys promo code. For verification, there's a quick step to confirm you're not a bot. Just download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These are popular apps with millions of downloads, totally safe and free to install. After installing the apps, open each one and use it for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to reach level 9 in a game or complete a short survey. Don't worry, this is all part of the verification process to unlock your promo code. I'll speed through this part with some background music so you can see it all done without the wait. And there you go. Now let's check my inbox, and there it is, my CDKeys promo code. If this helped you out, subscribe for more tips and enjoy the savings on CDKeys.